Hi, this is Mimi from InfosecTrain. Today our discussion topic is on advanced penetration testing training from InfosecTrain. If you want to become a skilled penetration tester by mastering the most recent commercial hacking tools and procedures that can be used to secure your organization from future cyber attacks, learn the latest tools and methods from our highly skilled trainers. To understand more, we have our expert Mr. Ashish with us. Hi Ashish, how are you?
Hi ma'am, I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good. So, Ashish, today we are discussing about advanced penetration testing training, which InfoSec
Okay.
Train offers. And I'm having few sort of questions which basically clients want to understand about this training. So,
Okay.
please describe us that why do we need a penetration tester?
See, penetration test is what we try to find out the vulnerabilities in the organization so that we can safeguard our organization from the attackers, right? So why pen test is needed? Pen test will uncover lots of vulnerabilities that we don't know in our organization. They persist. Then again, using a pen test, we will prioritize all the vulnerabilities. Like it is a low severity vulnerability, it is a medium severity vulnerability, it is a high severity vulnerability. We do that, and then we will get lots of opportunities to fix those vulnerabilities and make our organization safe. You will find out all the problems in your code or software or network that you didn't know that they ever existed, right? And show you the strengths, that how your environment is, what are the strengths of your environment, where is it safe, where there are bugs and where there are loopholes, so that attackers can attack, so that we can fix them. So that's why we need a penetration test for the organization.
Okay. So, Ashish, what are the tools covered in our advanced penetration testing training? And is there any prerequisite also to start with this training?
So I will start with the prerequisites, that whenever you are going for advanced penetration testing, so as the name itself suggests, it is advanced penetration testing. So the basics attacks you should know, like DOS attacks, how the crack attack works, how the DNS cache poisoning attack works, right? How the brute force attack works. Then apart from that, networks and Linux, your hands-on should be really good. And after that, the tools that we will be covering, there are a lot.
Okay.
So I will just name some, like in map we have Nessus. We will use burp suite for web applications, right? We will use metasploit framework, we will use shodan, right? So lots of these tools we will be using during our course.
Okay, great. So, Ashish, we have a lot of clients who actually wants to know that what would be the career opportunities after completing this advanced penetration testing with us.
So the career opportunities, if a person is just trying to change the domain, so they can just go for the profile of a penetration tester. But if a person is working in the domain of penetration testing, they are working in the offensive side of security, and then they want to just get a promotion, right? Or they want to get good designation. So then this course will help, like senior security specialist you can go for, like senior security administrator, senior penetration tester, team lead you can go for. So these are the some security designations that you can go for after this advanced penetration testing course.
Okay, good to know. So, Ashish, I think we can conclude this by if you can tell us that why clients should choose InfoSec Train for this advanced penetration testing training.
See, the very first thing, advanced penetration testing is our custom course. So we have just tailored this course as per the market needs. Even if after this you want to go for the certifications like OSCP, you will be able to crack them. You will understand that how to crack the machines in OSCP, what are the tools you will need. And even in OSCP, we use manual methods. So how to manually crack a machine. Then after that this is a course which is around 75 to 80% hands on, and then the task will be given to the participants so that they can practice more and more, right? And then we will provide the pathway, that how to crack interviews and how to go for the interviews when you will be going for the higher designations, right? So these are some of the ways And apart from that, we will be providing lots of tools, lots of books, and all the materials that are required for this training, right? So that's why a person should go for penetration testing with InfosecTrain.
Okay, thanks a lot, Ashish, for your answers. I hope this will help all the clients to understand more about advanced penetration testing training. And for more queries, you all can reach us at sales@infosectrain.com. Thank you so much.